In this quick tutorial, we'll be showing you our top 5 ways to wear the Doll Beauty Lip Collection. We will be using a combination of the Doll Beauty lip liners, lipsticks and lip glosses to perfect each lip technique. Look 1. The gloss. For our first technique, we are using the shade Loaded from the Doll Beauty Lip Gloss collection. Taking a small lip brush, you want to begin by applying a thin coat of the gloss all over the lips. A top tip before any lip application: make sure the lips are clean by using a lip scrub to remove any dead skin cells, and also make sure that any foundation that may possibly be blended into the lip area is removed with some cleanser. These high shine ultra glossy lip glosses have a creamy formula which allows the product to glide onto the lips for a perfectly hydrated finish. Doll Beauty have a range of flattering shades. This shade is Loaded and is a dark nude metallic with a pearl reflect. Look 2. The Ombre. This technique requires a lip liner and a lipstick. To create a strong ombre blend effect on your lips, you need to ensure your lip liner is 2 to 3 shades darker than your lipstick to achieve a strong contrast in colour. We are using the shade Diva Forever from the new Doll Beauty She Fine Liners Complete Set, which was kindly gifted to us. This luxury gift box includes 12 shades of liners and is exclusive to their website for purchase only. Diva Forever is a warm nude brown lip liner, so it will act as the perfect darker shade for our ombre lip. Using soft side-to-side sketching motions, begin building up the pigments in the lip liner. You want your liner edge to be bold and pigmented enough to allow the lipstick to blend into it later on. Once you have built up your liner, take a small fluffy brush and blend out the liner edges on the inner edge of the lip. This will help with the transition from the lipstick to liner. Now it's time to apply your lipstick. We're using the shade Golden Girl from the Doll Beauty Lipstick collection. This is a warm nude shade providing a paler centre fill for our ombre finish. Only apply the lipstick to the centre of the lips and do not go over the liner. This will allow a connection space when it comes to blending the two products together. Golden Girl is one of the lightest shades in their lipstick collection. It is also a bestseller and Khloe Kardashian's favourite lipstick. The creamy consistency of these lipsticks will allow you to blend perfectly. Look 3. The Russian Doll Lip. This technique is used to overemphasize the lips. With this technique, the idea is to use a brown lip liner to create a shadow effect around particular areas on the border of the lips. The shadows will give an illusion that the lips almost fold over on themselves, creating a plumper look to the lip. Again, we are using the shade Diva Forever from the She Fine Lip Liner collection. Use soft side-to-side sketching motions to mark out the fine lines onto the tops of the cupid's bow, to the bottoms of the underlip, and add 2 small cut lines into the crease of the mouth. These are our shadow lines. Take that small fluffy brush again and blur out the harsh edges of these shadow lines. We are then taking a lip gloss in the shade Gobby to fill the lip. This lip gloss is super lightweight, so it's perfect to wear on its own or on top of another shade to add a pop of colour. Look for the full liner. We're using the shade Hustler from the She Fine lip liner collection. For this look, we are using this beautiful plum shade lip liner to outline and also fill the entire lip. The creamy texture of these lip liners allows you to fill the entire lip with the full pigment of the product without having that awful dry feeling you sometimes get with other lip liners. We use this technique when creating any style of a colour bold lip. By filling the entire lip with a lip pencil, it allows you to create a sharper finish to the lips, as the pencil nib won't bleed into the skin. It acts as a guideline for where you should apply your lipstick on top of the lip liner, if you were to be applying a lipstick on top. However, for this look we have opted to just stick to the lip liner because of the full consistency of the product. Using a lip liner underneath any lipstick will also act as a glue and will prolong the wear of the lipstick throughout any occasion. Look 5, the trio, our most popular technique. This technique is taking all 3 styles of products and combining them to create the most ultra glam lip, perfect for any night out. Starting with a lip liner in the shade Kiss My Sass, we outline the lips using soft side-to-side sketching motions again. A little tip when applying liner: don't be afraid to rest your baby finger on a client or model's face. This will give you more stability when it comes to putting pencil to skin. Once the liner has been applied, use a small brush to help blend the inner edges and then apply lipstick in the shade Dolled Up to the central area of the lips. Use the flat lip brush to help disperse the lipstick towards the edge of the lip liner. Use small blending motions to help connect the 2 products. This should be easy as the 2 products are so creamy and they blend beautifully well together. Once you're happy with the blend from lipstick to liner, you can then go and apply a layer of Instaglam lip gloss all over the lips. This gloss is one of our favourites here at Miki. There is a perfect combination of colour, pigment and shine in this gloss to make this gloss one for the gram. And there we have it, our top 5 ways to wear the Doll Beauty lips. We hope you enjoy this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are hosting a free live masterclass here on YouTube. So tell your fellow makeup lovers and get them all to subscribe as well.